Last week, more than 60% of all reported cases and deaths from COVID-19 globally were once again in Europe. The sheer number of cases is translating to unsustainable pressure on health systems and exhausted health workers. In many countries and communities, we're concerned about a false sense of security that vaccines have ended the pandemic and that people who are vaccinated do not need to take any other precautions. Vaccines save lives, but they do not fully prevent transmission. Data suggests that before the arrival of the Delta variant, vaccines reduce transmission by about 60%. With Delta, that has dropped to about 40%. If you're vaccinated, you have a much lower risk of severe disease and death. But you're still at risk of being infected and of infecting others. We cannot say this clearly enough. Even if you're vaccinated, continue to take precautions to prevent becoming infected yourself and to infecting someone else who could die. That means wearing a mask, maintaining distance, avoiding crowds, and meeting others outside if you can, or in a well-ventilated space inside.